Okay, dear students, today we will look into Cambridge Assessment International Education, Cambridge Primary Sample Test, Science Paper 2, Stage 5, 2020 paper, question 9. Okay, question 9A here. Class 5 is doing a quiz about dissolving solids. Complete the quiz. For each answer, write true or false. The first one has been done for you. Okay, when we look at the question number 1 here, dissolving is a reversible process. It is a true. Okay, before we answer the question, we have to know the meaning of solute, solvent, and solution. Okay, solute here, this refers to a substance that is dissolved in a solvent to form a solution. So for example, if you are making salt water solution, salt is the solute in this case. Okay, solvent. Okay, solvent is a substance, often a liquid here, that has a capability to dissolve other substances. So water here, one of the most common solvent, and we call this as a universal solvent. So in the salt water example, water is the solvent. Okay, solution is a mixture of solute dissolved in a solvent. So solution in this case is salt water. So in the salt water example here, salt water is the solution. So where the salt particles are uniformly distributed in the water particles. So look back at the question here. Okay, a solution is a liquid that dissolves in a solid. It is a false. Solution is not a liquid that dissolves in a solid. Solvent is a liquid that dissolves in a solid. A solvent is a solid that dissolves in a liquid. False. A solute is a solid that dissolves in liquid. Water is a liquid used to dissolve solid. True. Usually we use water as a solvent. A mixture is made when solid dissolves in a liquid. Yes, true. So this is a mixture. Okay, question B here. Describe how to separate a solid from the liquid it is dissolved in. So first, if it is a salt water solution, how to separate the salt from salt water? We have to heat the liquid. So what happens when you heat the liquid? Most of the liquid evaporates. So when most of the liquid evaporates, what we need to do? We have to leave the dish in a warm place so that crystal of salt will start to form. Okay, now we will look into the experiment that related to solute, solvent, and solution.